where we delve into an ancient philosophy filled with profound wisdom that will help you overcome challenges and find inner peace. Today, we'll explore 9 Stoic keys that will make you outsmart everyone else in a world full of challenges and pressures. How can you remain steadfast and strong? These keys will provide you with the guidance you need to achieve that. Stay with us until the end, as each topic we cover will be a crucial key to unlocking wisdom and serenity in your life. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and type "Keep it up" in the comments below. Let's get started. Lesson 1. The power of silence, keeping your plans to yourself. Introduction. Welcome, Stoic Squad. Today, we're diving into the Stoic wisdom of keeping your plans private. The idea might seem counterintuitive at first, but there's a lot to gain from embracing strategic silence. Let's explore why maintaining discretion can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals. Why keep your plans private? Focus and distraction. Avoidance. By keeping your plans private, you avoid unnecessary noise and distractions. Announcing your goals can sometimes trick your brain into feeling a sense of accomplishment prematurely, leading to complacency. Staying focused on what truly matters becomes easier when you protect your vision from external influences. Avoid premature satisfaction. Publicly sharing your goals might give you a fleeting sense of achievement. This premature satisfaction can diminish your drive and motivation. Keeping your plans to yourself helps maintain that hunger and determination needed to see them through to completion. Cultivate self-reliance. Relying on external validation can hinder personal growth. When you keep your plans to yourself, you learn to trust your own judgment, make decisions independently, and take full ownership of your journey. This self-reliance is crucial for long-term success and personal development. Real-life examples. Side hustle. Example: imagine you're working on a side hustle with dreams of turning it into a full-time gig. Sharing your plans too early might lead to well-meaning but discouraging advice or even jealousy from others. By keeping your hustle under wraps until you've built a solid foundation, you protect yourself from negativity and stay focused on your vision. Marathon training. Example: suppose you're training for a marathon. Announcing your goal to everyone might create unnecessary pressure to perform, even if you're not fully prepared. Keeping your training quiet allows you to focus on your own progress without added stress. The Stoic challenge. Embrace the power of strategic silence. Before sharing your plans with the world, ask yourself, will sharing this help me achieve my goals, or will it create distractions? Will it empower me or make me dependent on external validation? Remember, keeping your next steps a mystery isn't about being secretive, it's about being strategic, focused, and self-reliant. Create space for your dreams to grow without the noise and pressure of the outside world. If you find value in this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and type "Keep it up" in the comments below. Lesson 2. Don't talk about others. The Stoic path to a gossip-free zone. Introduction. Hey, Stoic Squad. Today's lesson is all about avoiding drama and keeping it classy by not talking about others. In a world full of social media and reality TV, gossip might seem prevalent, but the Stoics offer a different perspective. Let's dive into why focusing on our own actions rather than others is the true path to wisdom and inner peace. The Stoic stance on gossip: energy spent wisely. The Stoics believed that our energy is best spent on self-improvement and contributing to the greater good, rather than on idle chatter or negativity. Gossiping can be harmful, spreading rumors, creating unnecessary conflict, and damaging reputations. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one. The Stoics focused on living virtuously rather than pointing fingers at others' shortcomings. The power of focusing on yourself. Every minute spent gossiping is a minute not spent on personal growth or making a positive impact. Instead of getting caught up in others' lives, focus on your own actions, thoughts, and growth. This approach will help you become a more positive and influential force in the world. Creating a positive environment. Avoiding gossip and negativity contributes to a more supportive environment. Imagine a workplace where everyone is focused on their own tasks and supporting one another rather than engaging in backstabbing. It would be a much more productive and enjoyable place to be. The Stoic challenge: rise above gossip. The next time you're tempted to engage in negative talk about others, take a step back and choose the Stoic path. Focus on your own growth, cultivate compassion and understanding, and contribute to a more positive environment. Remember, true strength comes from within, not from tearing others down. By focusing on your own journey, you'll find inner peace and inspire others to do the same. Lesson 3. Don't talk about your good deeds. The quiet power of unspoken kindness. Introduction. Hey, Stoic seekers. Lesson 3 is about keeping your good deeds to yourself. While sharing your achievements can feel rewarding, the Stoics emphasize humility and the essence of virtue. Let's explore why unspoken kindness is a powerful form of virtue. The Stoic take on good deeds. True virtue. The Stoics believe that virtue lies in doing good for its own sake, not for recognition. Boasting about your good deeds can lead to arrogance and diminish the impact of your actions. As Seneca put it, the reward for a good deed is simply having done it. True virtue comes from internal motivation rather than external validation. By focusing on doing good for its own sake, you'll cultivate genuine compassion and selflessness. The beauty of unspoken kindness. Think of a quiet stream nourishing the forest without seeking recognition. Similarly, when you perform acts of kindness quietly, your actions speak volumes about your contribution. People will notice your generosity and compassion without the need for external validation. Avoiding external validation. In today's social media-driven world, it's easy to seek approval for your good deeds. However, true virtue comes from doing good without seeking applause. This approach fosters a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy. The Stoic challenge: let your actions speak for themselves. The next time you perform a kind act, resist the urge to broadcast it. Savor the satisfaction of knowing you've made a positive impact. Remember, true virtue isn't about accolades, but about living a life of integrity, compassion, and selflessness. By embracing unspoken kindness, you'll create a better world and cultivate inner peace. Lesson 4. The power of strategic silence. Keeping your next move a mystery. What's up, future Stoics? Now we're talking strategy, patience, and a bit of mystery. We're diving into the Stoic principle of keeping your next steps to yourself. It's like being a chess master, making moves in silence while your opponent struggles to predict your next play. Now you might be thinking, but shouldn't I share my goals and plans with others? Won't that help me stay accountable and get support? That's a fair point, and there are times when sharing can be beneficial. However, the Stoics teach us that there's also immense power in holding back, in keeping your cards close to your chest. The Stoic take on future plans. The Stoics were all about focusing on what's within your control and accepting what's not. They understood that the future is uncertain, and talking too much about your plans can create unnecessary pressure and distraction. As Epictetus wisely said, First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. The Stoics believed in action over words. Instead of boasting about your future plans, focus on taking concrete steps towards your goals. Why keep your plans secret? Protect your focus. When you share your plans with others, you open yourself up to their opinions, doubts, and expectations. This can create unnecessary noise and distract you from your true purpose. By keeping your plans private, you can maintain laser-sharp focus on what matters most. Avoid premature satisfaction. Announcing your goals can sometimes trick your brain into thinking you've already achieved them. This can lead to complacency and a loss of motivation. By keeping your plans secret, you stay hungry and driven to make them a reality. Cultivate self-reliance. Relying too much on external validation and support can hinder your personal growth. By keeping your plans to yourself, you learn to trust your own judgment, make decisions independently, and take full ownership of your journey. Real-life examples: silence in action. Let's bring this wisdom into the real world. Imagine you're working on a side hustle, dreaming of turning it into a full-time gig. Sharing your plans too early might lead to well-meaning but discouraging advice or even jealousy from others. By keeping your hustle under wraps until you've built a solid foundation, you protect yourself from negativity and stay focused on your vision. Marathon training. Perhaps you're training for a marathon. Announcing your goal to everyone might create unnecessary pressure to perform, even if you're not fully prepared. By keeping your training quiet, you can focus on your own progress and avoid unnecessary stress. The Stoic challenge: embrace the power of strategic silence. The next time you're tempted to share your plans with the world, take a step back and consider the Stoic approach. Ask yourself, will sharing this help me achieve my goals, or will it create distractions? Will it empower me or make me dependent on external validation? By keeping your next steps a mystery, you'll protect your focus, maintain your drive, and cultivate self-reliance. Lesson 5. The freedom of self-reflection. The journey within. Hello, Stoic seekers. Today we're embarking on a journey inward, exploring the Stoic practice of self-reflection. It's a powerful tool for understanding ourselves, our motivations, and our actions. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. By delving into self-reflection, you gain insight into your own mind, helping you make better decisions and live a more fulfilling life. The Stoic practice of self-reflection. Self-reflection is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. The Stoics believed in examining their thoughts and actions regularly to align with their values and principles. It's about looking inward to understand your motivations, strengths, and areas for growth. The benefits of self-reflection. Enhanced self-awareness. Self-reflection helps you gain a deeper understanding of yourself. By regularly evaluating your thoughts and actions, you become more aware of your strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make more informed decisions and take meaningful actions. Improved decision-making. By reflecting on your past experiences, you can learn from them and make better choices in the future. Self-reflection provides valuable insights into your decision-making process, helping you avoid repeating past mistakes and make more thoughtful choices. Alignment with values. Regular self-reflection ensures that your actions align with your core values and principles. It helps you stay true to yourself and make decisions that reflect your true character and purpose. The Stoic challenge: embrace the journey within. Set aside time each day or week for self-reflection. Ask yourself, what did I learn from my experiences? How can I improve? Am I living in alignment with my values? By committing to this practice, you'll gain valuable insights, make better decisions, and live a more fulfilling life. If you find value in this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and type "keep it up" in the comments below. Lesson 6. The Art of Keeping It Real. Hello, Stoic seekers. Today's lesson is about a profound Stoic principle: keeping it real, even when you're doing awesome things in the world. Should you share your good deeds to inspire others, or is it better to remain humble? Stoicism emphasizes humility and inner motivation, focusing on the essence of virtue. The Stoic take on good deeds. The Stoics believe true virtue lies in doing good for its own sake, not for recognition or praise. Boasting about your good deeds can lead to arrogance and diminish their impact. As Seneca wisely put it, the reward for a good deed is to have done it. The satisfaction of acting virtuously should be its own reward. The beauty of unspoken kindness. Think of it this way. Imagine a quiet stream nourishing the forest without seeking recognition. Its impact is felt through its presence and actions, not through boasting. Similarly, when you perform acts of kindness without fanfare, your actions speak louder than words. People will notice your generosity and compassion, even if you don't broadcast it. The trap of external validation. In today's social media-driven world, it's easy to seek external validation for our good deeds. We might post about charitable donations or acts of kindness hoping for likes and comments. However, Stoics argue that true virtue comes from internal motivation, not fleeting approval. Focus on doing good for its own sake and cultivate genuine compassion. The Stoic challenge. The next time you do something kind, resist the urge to broadcast it. Savor the quiet satisfaction of knowing you've made a positive impact. Let your actions be your testament, a silent contribution to a better world. Remember, true virtue is about living with integrity, compassion, and selfless service. Lesson 7. The Power of Silent Strength. Welcome back, Stoic seekers. Today we explore the power of silent strength. Keeping your vulnerabilities private can be empowering and protective. Weaknesses versus flaws. First, let's distinguish between flaws and weaknesses. Flaws are imperfections in character that we can work on improving. Weaknesses, however, are vulnerabilities that can be exploited and lead to emotional turmoil. Stoicism teaches that true strength lies in addressing weaknesses privately rather than exposing them. The Stoic perspective. Stoicism teaches us that keeping vulnerabilities private safeguards us from exploitation. For instance, if you're prone to stress, sharing this openly might lead to others piling more work on you. Instead, by developing coping strategies in private, you can handle stress with greater confidence. The challenge. Transform your weaknesses into strengths without broadcasting them. Focus on overcoming your vulnerabilities through introspection and self-improvement. Let your actions demonstrate your growth.